Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, in the previous video of 7th standard, we have studied the complete chapter, that is 3.2, Compare a Program. Students, now today we are going to study the exercise given on page number 62 to 63 of 7th standard subject English, and just now I told you the unit 3.2, Compare a Program. Before moving forward, I would like to say thanks to my subscribers, those who have shared it, liked it and commented below the video. Thank you and be connected. Without wasting time, let's get started. Question number 1. The items in the program below have got mixed up. Rearrange them in the proper order. Just add the number in the left hand column. Students, this is given on page number 62. Balananda Art Festival Program. So here activity is given on the right hand side and you have to write the number or the number in order in the left hand column. Here first is Koli dance, igniting the lamp, chief guest speaks, appraisal of the art festival, dignitaries arrive, recital of Tal Kacheri, welcome and introduction of guests, prize distribution, the boy comes home, a skit by standard 9th, vote of thanks. Okay students, so this order is given and this order is mixed up, but student, what we have to do? We have to put all these activity in a proper order. Okay, so let's do it. Students, I will tell you in order. So, in the first order, dignitaries arrive. Second, igniting the lamp. Third, welcome and introduction of guest. Fourth, appraisal of the art festival. Fifth, recital of Tal Kacheri. Sixth, Koli dance. Seventh, the boy comes home, a skit by standard 9th. Eighth, prize distribution. Ninth, chief guest speaks. And the last one, that is 10th, vote of thanks. Okay students, so this is the correct order of the activities. Question number 2. Form groups of 5 to 8 students. This passage tells us only what the compare says. Try to visualize and write what the other people on the dais must have said in their speeches. Write only the main points. 1. The school principal. 2. The chief guest. 3. The art teacher who offered vote of thanks. So student, here we have to write only the main points of their speeches. Okay? So let's try. The answer is the first, the school principal. The main points are praises the school art exhibition. 2. Speaks about the participated students and teachers. 3. Praises the art teacher. 4. Speaks about chief guest. Now the second guest, that is the chief guest. 1. Praises the school and principal. 2. Praises the students, participants and winners. 3. Gives guidance. 4. Says thanks. And the last one, the art teacher who offered the vote of thanks. First, thanks to principal for giving permission to conduct it. 2. Praises students and participants. Speaks about parents' cooperation. So students, these are the main points that they would have mentioned in their speeches. Question number 3. Choose the appropriate phrase to insert in the gaps. To make the sentences meaningful, use the appropriate form of the verb. 1. To appraise. 2. To be relieved of. 3. To draw the curtain. 4. To escort. 5. To be likened to. 6. To have butterflies in one's stomach. A. Before we draw the curtain, let us stand in attention for the national anthem. B. I had butterflies in my stomach just as I was to receive my report card. C. After I took the medicine, I was relieved of the pain. D. Before we do the experiment in the laboratory, let me apprise you all about it. E. The minister was escorted by his personal bodyguards. F. Sorrowful times are likened to darkness. Question number 4. Prepare a formal invitation card for the art festival. Students, here you have to prepare a formal invitation card for the art festival. You can see here an example of the formal invitation card. Students, in this way you have to prepare an invitation card. You can prepare at your own, in your own style. Okay students, so this is only an example of the invitation card. So students, here we have studied the exercise given on the page number 62 and 63 of English subject 7th standard chapter number 3.2, compare a program. Students, you can learn this. You can pause the video in between and you can note down the question and answers. Okay? Students, if you have liked this video and found it useful to you, then subscribe it, share it, like it and comment below the video. Students, and be connect with me. Thank you.